Planning weddings for 2026, these are the design trends clients are already asking for and how they're being executed at a professional level. Chrome and stainless steel finishes are big in 2026 weddings. This trend is especially popular for city venues, evening receptions, and really contemporary spaces. Reflective tables, silver chargers, metallic accents, these photograph really cleanly and elevate the perceived value of the event without overwhelming the design. From a planning perspective, this look scales really well across large guest counts and pairs easily with neutral or monochromatic floral palettes. Cocktail buffets continue to grow in popularity as couples prioritize guest flow and social interaction in their cocktail hours. Instead of traditional cocktail hours, planners are designing grazing tables, drink stations, and cocktail buffets. These layouts encourage movement throughout the space, and this approach allows for a lot of creative styling opportunities and just giving an overall different guest experience, especially in venues with open floor plans. You're gonna see lots of creative color palettes here and lots of big pops of color. Ground meadow florals are replacing traditional aisle decor in the actual wedding ceremonies. Low profile floral installations with clear sightlines are creating these immersive kind of editorial moments. This trend is particularly effective for outdoor ceremonies and venues where the couples want this design forward experience without obstructing any views or photography angles. Floral design in 2026 is moving beyond symmetry and tradition. Lots of sculptural calla lilies, hanging floral chandeliers, a lot of gravity-defying arrangements are being used as focal points throughout these events. These installations add a lot of drama and artistry that create these really strong visual moments to photograph well for both the clients and for event portfolios. Sculptural installations are becoming a key structural element in wedding design. These are looking like modern frames to abstract forms, and these serve as ceremony backdrops, reception focal points, photo moments. For planners, these sculptural installs offer a lot of versatility. They act as both decor and architectural structure, and they just absolutely elevate the overall event design. Rococo Revival is returning in a refined, modern way. You're seeing lots of ornate tablescapes, layered linens, and intricate detailing that's appealing to luxury clients that are really looking for that romantic, opulent aesthetic. This trend focuses a lot on texture, softness, and craftsmanship, and it's ideal for upscale receptions where design and storytelling is absolutely a priority. These 2026 wedding trends reflect a shift toward intentional design, scalability, and guest experience. Save this for client planning and upcoming event concepts.